Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah, it's nice to have you back again. Yeah, so today we want to learn about something new, something that we haven't talked about for some time now. So its background is that for years communication has been difficult. For example, you may come from Uganda here, where the main form of official communication is English, and to go to a country like, for example, France or Spain, where they use languages that are not common here. So they are communicating with those people, it will be hard, but you have to worry no more because these improvements in technology, they've enabled us to bridge that gap such that still you go to such countries where you don't know the language, but at least you can communicate. How? So today we are going to look at one of those applications, and today we are going to look at Google Translate, or you can call it Google Translation. Okay, translate simply means to change from one language to another. So today we are going to there are many apps that can do that, but today mainly we are going to be dealing with Google Translate. So before we continue any further, please subscribe, like and share. Also don't forget to comment. So how do you access Google Translate? So using any browser of your choice, you can use Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Edge, Opera browser, anything. You can, for example, me, I'm going to use Google Chrome. So you can open your browser. Okay. So when you open your browser, we have two options. Okay. You can either type in Google Chrome, or simply you come to these, there are 9 dots shaped like a square. Okay, you can click on them and you can see these are some of the Google applications, and Google Translate happens to be one of them. So it's here. Okay, but for me, I would prefer I type in and Google Translate. Okay, but you could also click there and you access it. So Google Translate is, as you hear, Google. So it's a Google tool that offers free of charge translation of words, phrases, and web pages. Okay, so you may even want to read, for example, an online novel, but it is in Japanese and you don't understand Japanese, you have never seen Japanese anywhere. So you can easily transfer that online novel, you change it to English if it's the one you can read. Okay, so for example, now I'm going to show you how you do it. So we started by typing in Google Translate. So after, this is what will come. So now we have two parts here. We have this part on my left hand side, or which is on the left hand side. That is where you enter the text that you want to translate. And this part here is the translation. The one the app is going to change the language of your choice. So for example, since I'm going to be translating from English, since it is the language I can deal with best, or maybe yeah, we can translate to Japanese. For example, you may go there, you are in Japan and want to tell someone, good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Okay. Instantly, they've given me the translation. Okay. So if I want to text to someone in Japan, instead of this, I just copy this, maybe take to my WhatsApp, text them that, good morning, sir. Okay. That is it. Or we may want to, it may be, food is important, so we may want to say, you may want to ask a question, where can I get some food, please? It's done. Okay, in an instant. Actually, it happens instantly as you type in the words you want. It translates automatically and it saves the time, and for sure the conversation will go on smoothly. For example, let's change to, so there are many languages. If you want to know the language you change to, or the language you are translating from, simply these small arrows pointing downwards, you can make use of them. For example, here, so we say this left hand side is the language that, for example, you know. Okay, and this is the language that you don't know that you want to translate to. Okay, so just place it. There are many languages here depending on which part of this world. Many languages, many. Yeah, there's Spanish here, Sudanese. So let's see some Spanish. If you want to ask where can I get some food from in Spanish, that is it. Okay, yeah. So you can also, for example, let's get some other information from somewhere. Yeah, so that is for translating words. But as I said that it is not only for words. Well, here we are translating just small sentences, but you can translate phrases or you can translate paragraphs of work. For example, you may be reading an online magazine. An online magazine is, for example, Italian, and it seems you are interested to know what are they talking about. It's talking about, let's say, some sports or some celebrities, and you want to know. So you can easily go to that. For example, if it is a news page, you 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 copy what you want and you bring to our Google Translate and you paste it there. Okay. So this is a phrase of work. You will see that it has been translated in a few seconds. Okay. Yeah. So that is Google Translate for you. Thanks for following. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. Yeah. And as we continue this marvelous journey, thank you.